Assalamu alaikum dear friends, my name is Arsan Jawan and you are watching my channel Trixie Tips. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel to watch daily videos on different topics and different tricks and different IT courses on free for free. So if you are if you have already liked, then please watch my video from starting till the end. And today in this video I will tell you about how you can remove a background from a picture, and this can be done with easy steps from using this website, which I will tell you. This is now open, and another method is this can be done from Photoshop also. So you can also provide this as a service from any of the freelancing market, to any of the freelancing market, just like I go to Fiverr, and fiverr.com. I'm going to fiverr.com and I'm switching to buying, and I'm finding that, just to show you that how much it is popular among freelance markets to remove a background from picture. Remove background from image. 20, you can see the 20,899 services, but each one of them has some orders. You can see easily that. So it is a competitive keyword, but there is still chances that you can get your order from this. And try different keywords about removing background from image. So you can see that these are providing services to remove background. So you can provide your service to remove your background. So to how to do this, so you must go to the remove.bg website, and then you must have the picture which you want to remove background from. And for this purpose I have already downloaded the picture, and I will do that editing with that picture. So you can see that here. Original picture is this. I uploaded that picture, and this is a picture of a beautiful baby and Baba, and original picture is updated here, and after removing background it is just like that. If you want to further edit this picture and change another background and change this background, your client requires it, then you can do it by going it here. Yeah, you can see, just like amazing. Just want to show it to give it a professional look. And here you can see that my background is successfully added to this picture. Remember one thing, that you can only done editing with background if your image is in PNG or JPEG format. Yeah, the webpack format is WebP format is not supported. Only try to only put images with JPEG and PNG format or J format. No other format is supported. So I will download this image just to show you that this was the task was successfully completed. You can sell this gig on Fiverr and earn money. So for today's class, if you like it, today's tips and tip and trick, then please like my video and subscribe to my channel to get more informative and more money earning idea giving videos to you. And we will meet you in the future too. Till then, take care of yourself and stay tuned with me to get more updates. Thank you.